Hi guys, morning and welcome back to our series. We're going to look at a couple of activations. A lot of complaints been coming out for people getting regular hip injuries, ankle injuries. We're going to look at four different movements today, all around hip activation or glute activation is what we call. So closely watch and you can do that. I'll keep on explaining how many repetitions, how many sets you should be doing and when all you should be doing, right? The first movement, what we're going to do is we're going to get into what we call is 1990. That means my front knee is bent, back knee is bent, ensuring sitting upright. A few of you might face a little challenge in sitting upright on your own, which is absolutely alright. Take some support, keep your hand in front, and now my first movement would be that I'm only going to focus on lifting my heel off the ground. I'm going to keep on pressing the knee on the ground and lift it up. Now initially when you start doing it, you might feel that you're not able to lift your heel up off the ground. It's absolutely okay, just need to keep on practicing. Try to sit upright, keep that torso straight, showing you from the side how the movement looks like. Now you can look at doing anywhere from around 10 to 12 repetitions to start with. Finish with one leg, then move to the other, do about 3 sets, right? Now, going to step number 2 of the same movement. This time, I'm going to lift my knee and my heel off the ground this time. Again, if you notice, I'm sitting by not moving my torso. You might tend to bend to lift that up. You have to restrict yourself. Focus on only lifting. Once you're done, you can repeat the same movement. If you've been training with me regularly outdoors, you would notice that we do a lot of these exercises for our warm-up. We do a lot of these for a regular activation. So all these exercises can be done as a warm-up before you go out for a run, or you're looking for a long ride, cycling. Or if you are doing this, it's a recovery day for you and you need to look at doing some small activation, this is something which you can do as well. Focusing on the second movement again on our glute. This time I'm going to be on my knees, going to come sideways, and I'm going to straighten up my leg. Now the movement is simple. I'm just going to focus on lifting my leg off the ground. It's going to be slow. What I'll be looking at is keeping my knee completely locked out and just focusing on lifting my foot off the ground. One quick thing to notice in that, every time you're doing this movement, keep this movement slow. Try not to jerk this movement, right? Again, look at anywhere from 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. That's a good thing to start with. If you feel you're building that momentum, if you feel 15 is a number where you can easily reach, you can either increase the number of repetitions to about 20, 25, or you can increase the number of sets. Right? Last one, it's something which I personally like because I felt a little challenged when I did this movement, but with time I could do this movement. But you notice all these movements which I'm doing are small movements of body weight movement, right? Looking at the last one, I want you to come on all fours, get your leg on the side and focus on lifting it up again. The difference between this movement and the earlier one, we were sideways. This time I'm on all fours, on my side, and I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to show you from the other side. Lift it up. Again, this movement is small, not looking at too big a jerk. Lifting up. A common mistake which people will make over here is that every time you try to lift your leg off the ground, because you're feeling tight or because you're there is lack of activation, you tend to bend sideways. Try not bending. Try to keep that pelvic straight and focus on only lifting your leg off the ground. Alright, these were our 4 movements. Again, these are very, very essential to get those glutes activated. Do them regularly, anytime from 3 to 4 days a week. Looking at not spending more than 15 to 20 minutes. The beauty of this is that you can do it anytime, anywhere. You don't have to, look for a gym or any equipment. Get hold of a mat, get outdoors, or get into any place which you feel you're comfortable, and you can do this and feel what's happening here. Right. So we're gonna bring you few more videos like this. Gonna bring you some activation series. So stay tuned and follow the channel. You'll get more and more similar exercises from us. Till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.